Hello. You guys have gotten in your packet that your family picked up. You've gotten 2 packets that are kind of warm up. They're not things we're going to be checking as we go, but they are great for you to have a little time away from the screen, a little time to just practice handwriting, and a mix of 3rd grade skills. I know this one says ELA warm up, but there's math on here too. So I think my eyes were tired when I wrote that. But there's also a 5-a-day math. So I'm going to go through these 2 packets just to give you an idea of what you can be doing. And this is like morning work that we would be doing in the classroom. And it's a way for you just to kind of focus, think of it as practice. And if you have questions, you can certainly ask, but this is not something you'll be submitting in Canvas or going through necessarily with your teacher, although you may go through this in morning meeting. It's great to have handy before morning meeting. And as your teacher is getting warmed up, you can be working on a little of this. So let's just take a look at what there is. So I would think of this as one day of warm-up, and it's got a variety of things. And each little rectangle or box is something to practice. So here, use the clues to help find the meaning of the underlined word. She chuckled at the very silly joke. So here are your clues. Silly joke. So chuckle probably means maybe laugh or giggle. It's another word. It's a synonym for those. Write one example of each in the box. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. They gave us the idea of love, but a person might be mom. Fits nicely in that small box. Maybe a place might be school. And a thing, it might be my pen. Okay, so you're just putting an idea. You try different things. Fix the sentence. Write it correctly on the lines. So he is shopping. Oh my goodness. Every sentence starts with a capital letter. He is shopping. And this is a good opportunity for you to practice forming your letters. And I noticed something missing at the end of the sentence. So capital and period. Those are the 2 errors in that sentence. A little cursive practice. Start at the dot and trace the letter 5 times. Then use the lines. So trace it 5 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. You're practicing the cursive C, and then you're trying it on the lines. Starting at the dot. And then you're trying 2 of them together. Oops, CC. Handwriting has never been my strong suit. If it's not yours either, it's good to practice, but don't stress yourself out. Do your best. Here we go. The word mock. It tells us it's a verb. You mock something if you make fun of it. So draw a picture of the word. I'm going to draw, this is my favorite way to draw a profile of someone. Here's their eyeball. Here's their hair. Here's their ear. Here's their teeth. And I'm going to draw a picture. Ha ha ha. Little speech bubble of the guy making fun of it. Can you see that? His hair. All right. Now we have a little math, even though it says ELA warm up. We're going to warm up our math brains, but there is reading. So the 3rd graders made a graph about the color of their bikes. And you look at the graph, and you're going to answer these questions. Blank children have a blue bike. Blue. Boop. 3. Blank is the color of 4 bikes. 4 bikes. Oh, I'm going to look at the number. Oops. Red is the color of the 4 bikes. Blank is the color of the least number of bikes. The least, that's an important word, means the smallest amount. So pink is the color of the shortest bar in the bar graph. Blank, more bikes are black than are blue. I'm going to compare black bikes with blue bikes, and I need to know how many more are black. So this number. So this is 1 bike, 2 bikes. 2 bikes. 2 more bikes are black and blue. And we come down to the bottom, a little more math on our ELA warm-up packet. Luke had 8 toy trucks. He lost 5 of them. How many trucks does he have left? So if he has 8, and draw those 5, 6, 7, 8, and he loses 5 of them. These 5 go away. He has 3 left. I could also write a number sentence. 3 left. Right? And here's a little bit of addition. The pictures help you. 4 plus 2 is 6. 14, all those white ones, plus 2. 16. 10, 24, 24 plus the 2. 26, a little mental math. Now it says, a triangle has 3 sides. Trace each triangle, then write 1, 2, 3 next to each side. That sounds easy enough. 1, 2, 3. You'll do that for each of the triangles. 5 tens, 7 ones. Which one has 5 tens and 7 ones? Is it this one, or this one? And you're going to fill in the bubble. Okay? So we did most of the first one. You got to do those 2 triangles on your own. And then you'll see day 2. You'll do a similar kind of warm-up. Okay? Each box is a different thing to practice. Day 3. So try to do 1 page a day. We'll be sharing the answers with parents if you want to. Families can go through and check if you're not sure. And then the 5 a day math. This is do 1 row each day. This is just math. So Monday, you're going to go across. Tuesday, you'll go across. Wednesday, you'll go across. These are just like little vitamins for your math brain. Okay? So you'll do a quick check, a little bit of addition. Sometimes it might be subtraction. What is the value of the underlined digit? You'll need to work on these math problems a little time, a little expanded form. Okay, so you're going to do a little bit of these each day. And that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days in the week. You will have all 5 rows done by the end of the week. All right, so that's in your packet. I hope that is helpful for you, just a little away from the screen, but working your brain. Thank you.